Oh hey, didn't see you there. I'm just designing a clock for Astronomy 324. If you had told me 9 weeks ago that I'd be designing a clock and building it, I'd have said you were crazy.
But how do we build a clock with just some spare wood and power tools?
But we did it, and here it is.
Okay, so our clock is composed of the 3 major components of most clocks. We got our time indicator on our crown wheel here, which is just numbers evenly spaced on there that indicates how far the wheel's turned. We have our power source, which is a falling fishing weight, which is wound around the back of the crown wheel there. And then we have our regulator, which is a combination of our pendulum and our anchor escapement up top here, which is made of 2 screws and a piece of wood. Our pendulum is actually 20 centimeters in length so that we get a full minute for each revolution of our crown wheel. The crown wheel is composed of 45 nails, each evenly spaced about 8 degrees apart.
We learned many lessons about the process of clockmaking throughout this project. Here is a list of future considerations. When crafting the crown wheel, we must ensure that it is perfectly circular and that the axis of rotation goes directly through the center. Otherwise, the crown wheel has an irregular acceleration, and the teeth of the crown wheel aren't all the same distance away from the escapement. We must also be careful to minimize friction everywhere, especially in the pendulum and between the crown wheel and escapement. And even though our escapement was adjustable, we couldn't find the correct balance to give the clock its magical constant motion.